So we are going to turn it upside down. But before that, you see the hand sewing machine, the handle. We turn the handle to face you. Make sure when turn the handle, make sure the needle is supposed to be up like this before the teeth. The distance between the up or the one facing the other side distance should be the same as the teeth inside the distance in the plate. So distance here and the distance here to the teeth should be the same, and the needle supposed to be up. The position of the needle bar supposed to be up before you can change or increase or decrease the height. So it's not supposed to be inside like this before changing the height, but you turn it, make sure it comes up. So needle is up now and it's in the middle now. Teeth is in the feet, it's in the middle now. So with this, then before we can increase the height small a little bit. Yeah, so I have tilted the machine back, head back. So this is the under. So have you seen these things here? So this locks the height. This locks it to make the height stable. And there is a screw underneath or beneath it. So this is the screw we're going to open, and then you push this one inside. So after pushing it inside, which will raise the teeth a bit up. So it should still be up like this. The needle should be up like this. Up like this. Then we're going to open this side. It goes open that side with the screw. So like this. You're going to open the screw here. So we open it and bring it backwards. So anti. You turn it anti. So like this. Open it a little bit. It's okay. So now we push a little bit. You can push like this. You can. So this makes the teeth come down. So to check if I've pushed this, it goes down, but the needle is up. So I push it back. You see, the needle is up a little bit. So you can see that is the last height of it. So it's up a little bit. So this is okay. So pushing down like this is okay. So you screw it back. I'm going to screw it back on the screw. So we tight it hard. We tight it harder. Tight it harder. And we tight it harder. We tight it harder. You tight it harder and harder. Okay. And tight to make sure it doesn't go straight. So that's hard. It's not hard now. So let it turn back the machine. Yes. So now you can see the height now. So just imagine how the height has become now. You see it's up. It's up now. So it can fit properly. Goes down like this, comes up, goes down like this. So let me cite example for you to see. Okay, so we are back. So I've placed the presser foot after it on the presser foot bar. So now I'm going to put the fabric beneath it or under it, under the foot. After raising the lifter, then I push it back so it holds firmly. The presser foot holds the fabric firmly to the teeth to fit properly. So I'm going to turn the handle so it shows. But this I've not threaded it, but I'm just citing an example for you to see. So it's moving. You see that it's feeding the material. It's feeding. At first it wasn't feeding, but now it's feeding. It's feeding. So that's it. So that's how to adjust the height of a feet or a teeth of a hand sewing machine. Thank you.